the dream. Or trying to. So, cleaning up, trying to fix what somebody else started. Hard tops. When you cut down a hard top, you have brought yourself a whole new world of problems that didn't get considered going in, and I'm not sure what they would have done about it had they considered it. But, deal is, you cut a roof down, it gets narrower. On a sedan, you can break your posts and make everything fit and have it work. On a hardtop, not so much. So I'm having to cheat and kind of bring all my tracks angled in, trying to get this to actually come up and get up under the roof. The other fun job was this vent window frame. That'd go off.
No.
I thought someone doing a one. Oh, that's yours.
I'm getting Snapchat notifications.
Yeah. I thought someone doing a one-piece window, but then that had its issues too. And I kind of like vent windows, so figured out how to weld pot metal with a TIG welder and cut this down. So this I shortened up. This thing's chopped about 6 inches. This I shortened up and got this corner welded down. And then of course, before this window used to come up here on this angle, so this was shorter. So I had to take some of what I cut off of here and weld it onto here to get that long enough. Same thing with this part. And with the rubbers, I'm gonna have to do the same crapola. When the guy brought me the car, he said he had somebody that could do glass. Now, he doesn't have somebody that can do glass. I called my glass people. They said, yeah, we can do glass. No problem. Get your windshields, we'll cut them down and we'll install them. You know, they can't. So now, I called the glass company. They said, yeah, we got really good glass cutters, we can cut it. Let's hope they can. But I have to make all my templates. So, before I paint all this, now, I'm putting it all in place, getting all my templates made. And then hopefully they can cut glass, and then I'll have all that done by the time the glass gets back. The back window originally was supposed to be stationary. Well, originally the back window rolls down. But it rolls down, it has a pivot point right here, it has a hinge. It rolls down, it arches down in. And this hot rod now, this roof is back here, it can't arch down in because the geometry of the circle is way off. So, buddy wanted a window you could take out. So I'm going to make a sliding setup. So I've made brackets up here on this that screw on the back. So this will be my upper track. The lower track I put in place, the original lower track I put in place on the original pivot, cut it off. Hell, it used to be way out here. And this I'll use to hold my seal between the two windows, and I'll put that on the window and it'll slide in. So close the door, that seal will still be there and that'll cover up the top and seal everything. So that is kind of how we're going to address that. In front windshield, hardtops have chrome all the way around, go inside. The geometry keeps changing everywhere here, so because this is a little narrower point than it used to be at the top, and quite a few things. I didn't think I'd ever get that chrome in there, so I bought a sedan rubber, and then I cut that down, and I made that fit. Now I'm going to go get the windshields and mark them where I want them cut, and hope the hell I mark them right, and we'll get those things cut. Then we should be well on our way to having, well, let's hope, having glass in this already. This is a stumbling point that I think I've worked out if I can find people to cut glass. If I can't find people to cut glass, you're going to see some really interesting videos with a whole bunch of new words thrown in there while I'm trying to figure out how to cut windshields. And I don't know. I make a point of being the guy that doesn't do glass because I'm no good at it. I break everyone I touch. Hire professionals that know what the hell they're doing. If there's any professionals out there that know what the hell they're doing, they're willing to come to Canada and cut glass, let's get you up here. That's good enough.